Did you say game changer? I thought I heard you ask me how Facebook Reels can be a game changer for you. Oh, you did? Well, let me just put on my invisible magic gloves of Facebook Reels wisdom and let's get to it. The latest statistics show that Facebook has over 2.93 billion monthly active users. The larger the user base, the higher the competition. Therefore, it's necessary to crack the code whether you're trying to live stream, add stories, reels, or watch. So, here are 8 essential steps to crush it with your Facebook Reels. Number 1, identify your strengths. The key to making consistent and engaging content is to use your strengths to your advantage. If you're a creator, what are you best at? What kind of content do you post? If you're a really good artist, or you think you are, then you could teach others how to paint, or maybe take them through your own processes. If you're a business, what do you sell? What are you known for? Work on related niches. Number 2, make highly entertaining, informative videos. The key to winning on any vertical video platform, whether Facebook Reels, Shorts, or TikTok, is making highly engaging videos. Try creating a hook in the first 3 seconds to engage the audience, and it's only possible if you have an exciting, educational, relatable, or funny idea to share with them. Number 3, be creative. Creativity is the secret to making a successful vertical video regardless of the short-form platform. Spice up your videos with different camera angles. Use transitions, eye-catching filters, and colorful text. Try different things and see what works for you. Creativity has no end, no rules. The world is your oyster. Number 4, prepare scripts or critical points to discuss. Most video creators prepare scripts to have a clear idea of what they want to say in a video. Others usually write down key points on a piece of paper or sticky notes in front of them. Like right now, I have a teleprompter placed in front of me, wrongly, right under the camera, and it's telling me what to say and how to make fun of myself. The point is, do whatever helps you speak smoothly and confidently. If you're camera shy, then a script and pointers can really help you out. If you think you're a pro and can wing it, you are one lucky bat. Number 5, shoot with a proper camera gear. You might have had a lot of people tell you that camera gear or quality doesn't matter. All you need is to start making videos with minimum equipment. It's true from taking the first step standpoint. However, when you have to compete with experts in the niche and when you have to break into the social media world, you better be equipped with proper camera gear. Believe it or not, the video camera quality matters a lot. Have you noticed you stop scrolling through your Reels or TikTok the moment a high quality video pops up? Or how you often skip past the ones that aren't very high quality? The reason is that high quality videos are eye-catching. And of course, let's not forget that the algorithm also itself prefers quality and videos are therefore ranked higher. Therefore, a good quality vertical video could attract more people to your Facebook Reels. Number 6, edit your videos. There's no doubt that a well-edited video can do wonders as compared to raw footage. Although it's common to have freshly shot in-the-moment videos for Reels, many creators and brands are editing their videos in separate apps and softwares before they upload those Reels. If you're an agency or business and want to brand your Reels, you can edit in branded templates and text so your content is recognized by your audience at a glance. You can either hire a video editor or learn how to edit videos yourself. It's fairly simple. You can use a mobile app like Adobe Rush, super easy and user-friendly for beginners, or a PC app like Adobe Premiere Pro. Number 7, publish Facebook Reels frequently. One of the easy wins for taking advantage of this vertical video platform is putting out more content. The more Reels you publish, the higher the chances are to make them go viral. Most social media platforms reward content creators that are gaining traction. And the only way to do that is by attracting your audience through helpful, entertaining, or fun content. And if you're doing so consistently, you're likely to pop up faster than others who aren't publishing as often. So focus on publishing Facebook Reels regularly. Number 8, publish when your audience is active. Posting frequency is important, but so is posting at the right time. If you post at odd times, your audience may miss out on the reels that you're sharing, leading to less reviews and engagement. Keep track of your audience. How can you do that? Well, check your analytics. If you're using a social media management tool like ContentStudio, then it monitors when you get the most engagement, when your audience is most active, and then it recommends you the best time to post accordingly, saving you so much time. So, here's how to make Reels on Facebook. Click on the Reels button in the Facebook app. Create a video from scratch or add a video to your reel. Add suitable text, effects, music, timer, etc. to the video to take them to the next level. Click on the next button. Write a description for your reel, choose an audience to share with, and share it away. Well, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content. See you in the next video.